Make the ground shake.
Far Cry 4 is currently free on Amazon Prime Gaming, and I'm gonna show you how to get it. Head over to Amazon Prime Gaming and click on Get Game. Click on the link Game Account. Now press Go to Ubisoft. Now press Link. Then log into your Amazon account and then log into your Ubisoft Connect account. Then your Ubisoft and Amazon account are going to be linked. Then click on Confirm My Account. Now click on Complete Claim. Now you've got Far Cry 4 into your Ubisoft account. Now launch Ubisoft Connect, and if you head over to your games, you can see Far Cry 4 in your library. From there, you can download and play the game. For Far Cry 4, the minimum spec needed is an Intel Core i5 750 and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 460. And you will need at least 30 GB space. If you don't have Amazon Prime Gaming, you can register up for the 30-day free trial and then claim the game. Besides that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.